Yo, peace and love, everybody. Back with another unboxing video, and today we have the Jordan 1 Igloo, and this pair is a beautiful sneaker. Unfortunately, the craftsmanship of the sneaker, the materials used are not so beautiful. I'm just going to tell you right up front. Before I do that, I got to thank all the subscribers, current, potentials, and existings. Shout out to all the subscribers that's been rocking with me for the past, I'll say, 7 months or 2 weeks. Who cares? But just so you know, I do not condone the resale of unauthorized sneakers, fake sneakers, replicas, UAs, whatever you want to call them. I don't condone the resale of them, the manufacturer of them. I just get sent them as a gift. I'm not paid. I make a video. That's about it. Follow me on IG. Love you guys. So, like I was saying, we got the Igloos today. Now, the Igloos, they came in a pack that was released in Miami in about 2017, I believe, and they came out with the rust pinks. They look like this. Man, I wish I had those rust pinks. I know a couple people that have them. They look great, but I really need them in hand to, confirm their greatness, because the pair that I have right here. And the sad part is I really like the gifter. I really do like this company. They sent me other sneakers before, and this one was just not it. I don't know if it's because I picked something too old or what, because these gifters usually like to do the hottest stuff out, but sometimes I kind of test them by picking old things that I never got. And maybe that was a bad idea this time around. So let's dang, I just cut myself. So let's open this box up and see what we got inside so you guys can see what the heck I'm talking about. Okay, we have them in a 9.5, and they're white, black Igloo, Blanc Igloo Noir. And nothing special about the box, typical Jordan 1 box. Okay, see, I mean, these shoes, man, it's a beautiful sneaker at first glance. But let's get some close-ups. Let's take some looks at them. But I mean, if you know your Jordan 1s, look at the black leather just right off the bat. That black leather, I should call pleather. Like right when I pulled them out the box, I was like, oh boy, one of these again. And I'm trying to cut down on gifters that give me batches this way, but I guess it is what it is. This is the nature of the game right here. You win some and you definitely lose some. So I lost a little bit, and maybe I could turn this into a win. I might give them away. I might cut them in half to see what they're made out of. I don't know, but me put these on the floor, it's tough, man. And being that they're so limited and rare and expensive, you don't want to walk around with a pair like this on your feet, to be 100% honest. Taking a look here, that's like a fatter hourglass shape. I mean, it actually looks okay. It's not terrible. A little fat, but So what do you guys think about these? I mean, just first glance. And now that I'm actually editing the video, I went back and looked at some more pictures, and these actually aren't too far off. Hold on a second, let me show you. Here's a picture from Soul Collector. Now look at the toe box. See, it's that pleather kind of look again. Now let's look at the picture from StockX. See, they're just not that far off. I think the color might be a little off on the teal or igloo color, whatever that is, but they're actually not that far off now that I'm re-looking at things. And I think the toe box is the part that really got me, and I'll show you guys that here in a minute. Now let's get back to the sneaker. Okay, Wings logo. Doesn't really look that bad. I'm not sure about the placement, but it doesn't look that bad. Okay, I do see some widows peeking right there as far as the leather poking up. The Nike check throws me off on these two. Look at the Nike check. It doesn't have that typical, you can see a Nike check within the Nike check. Like, what's that about? Yeah, that's off. That stitching on the lettering doesn't look that bad. I typically don't care about stuff like this, but I don't know. There's a look in the insides. Not much to see there. The bottoms do look pretty cool. Probably can't mess that up. You know what I'm saying? Shoot for the stars. Aim for the sky, shoot for the stars, right? That looks okay. A little bit of dirt on there. Not bad. Here's the biggest problem for me is these things don't even crease properly. Like, look at that. And again, I don't know what the original leather looked like. If somebody has a retail pair of these, please hit me up on IG at Color Culture. That tag says, if I can catch it, 1202. That's kind of weird because he's actually dropped. I think they dropped in November, but it doesn't matter. All right, the Blacklight always tells the truth, doesn't it? See, they have a little EX stamp right on the sole. And, like, why do they do that? Is that to know that these are, like, not the ones that they sold at the Art Basel? I don't know. Look at the stitching. The stitching tells the story. There's stitching issues around the toe box. Stitching issues on the midsole. Yeah. Like, usually when you see this stuff, like I just did a video on another pair of Jordan 1s. I didn't see any of this except for a little bit of glue droplets. But when you see stuff like this, it's a good indicator that, I don't know. I hate to slam people on sneakers because they're just sneakers, but man, there's the Nike check within the Nike check thing again. And if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and thumbs up the video, by the way. But look, there's stuff right on the toe box there again. Eek. They could have cleaned that up. I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter, but there's the flaws. On the back, there's the same kind of markings. Jeez. I wonder if they made this pair and then sent it to me. I don't know. So we got that. Looks like a DM there, and then there's like another. There's that EX stamp again. Like, why are they stamping this stuff? To tell you, is it a factory-specific thing? I don't know. And this one, the right one, does that weird bouncy things. I'm telling you guys, I swear I'm working on the flattest surface. Look at the curvature of the sneaker. Doesn't really curve that much. I don't know. So let's go ahead and just jump into the on feet. There we go. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm a little sad about the shoes, but you know, it is what it is. You can't win them all. I'm not using the lav mic, obviously, so I'm out here kind of yelling, but it is what it is. I still appreciate the sneaker. I probably won't keep them. What can you do? It's just a gift. I'm not going to keep you guys long on this one, so peace out. I'm not even using the tripod today. The camera's right on the roof of my car. The car is the tripod today. Hold on, I'm going to show you guys something real quick. All right. What you guys think about this one? I should have brought my lav mic out here. I don't like yelling at this camera like that no more, man. I mean, this mic is still good, but I'm spoiled now. That last video, that joint was on point. All right, guys, not going to hold you. Peace. I wish the shoes were better. I really do. The gifter, I got a sweet spot for you guys, but maybe you just don't do the Air Jordan 1s like that, though. I don't know. Every gifter's different. All right, now I'm out. Peace out, guys. Wait. Gotta take the camera. Come on now.